Sangrongsalo Bagafa PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya wo exam pay practice program Khlaijakha asalo dal bidal röngnok ni röng sröngnai rok phai manjak phaikya
asalo puilano röng sröngnai rok no dal bidal shorongmungni video phonukjakha projector ni bisingte aboni agla quiz competition bo Khlaijakha manjaka röngnok ni principal Rajesh Mina no khoboi te kubona dong rok
has evolved into a significant mass movement just like a Jan Andolan, inspiring students, teachers and parents to approach examination with positively and celebrate them as a festival. To create a buzz across the country regarding Pariksha Pe Charcha, KVs, Kendriya Vidyalaya Bagafa have been conducting the Pariksha Pe Charcha from last 2 years. Just like the last 2 years, Kendriya Vidyalaya Bagafa have been given responsibility to conduct quiz competition on the basis of Pariksha Pe Charcha. For this, Ministry of Education will have given some episodes to show the students of various schools of South Tripura districts. In this Vidyalaya, 4 Vidyalayas are participating: Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Belonia, Eklavya Model Residential School, Government Girls Higher Secondary School Santri Bazar and Kendriya Vidyalaya Bagafa. For this, 5 episodes are being shown to the students. After seeing the episodes, a quiz competition will be organized. In the quiz competition, 3 best winners will be selected and they will be awarded by certificate with prize.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.